already taken out to the curb, and now we're working on the new sink. So we got our Supreme silicone around the faucet, so we're gonna go ahead and put him in now. Get that installed. All right, so the idea here we want to do is we're gonna use our own mounting stuff because of the situation at hand, and they didn't provide any mounting bolts for the here, so I got these. Basically, we got these washers here which have rubber on the bottom, and they can press down, so that'll be good for hitting this porcelain with these. So when I hit these lag bolts down into the ground, that'll help keep that from cracking or anything. And this is the right size, so it doesn't move around either. So we wanted the right size lag bolts with the rubber washers, called it bonded sealing washers. So that'll be perfect for this situation. That's it right there. All right, and as you can see, like that. All right, so that's gonna go over there. And then we have, for the wall, we're gonna use these Cobra driller toggles. So that's gonna go through the back of the sink here. And we will use the provided bigger washers for the bolts. Let me see here. So, yeah, so that will go through into there, and that'll hold that in. All right, so we got that, and we got that. These are gonna drill in, and then as they drill in, they flip. So that's what our next step is. So as you push it in, it does this, and then it locks into place. So kind of the idea here. We got this lined up, and we're now fixing the pedestal down with these lag bolts. Trying to get them down. Alright, so we have the pedestal mounted down with the lag screws. We got holes made for the toggle bolts that are going to secure the sink to the wall. So now we're going to work on putting this in. So we're going to do this before we even put it up. That way it's a little easier to work with. So let's get this on here. Plumber's putty. Boom. Okay. Alright, we're going to get this on in here. Alright, so we got that in nice and tight this time. This one fit better than the other one did. Perfect. That's in good. Okay. Let's make sure we tighten him good. Okay. And make sure that that's lined up straight. That's real tight, but not too tight. Okay, boom. That's done. Alright then, we're gonna go ahead and just get all this done now, so we ain't gotta worry about it later. once I get under there, I don't want to have to mess with the plumbing, so. I'm actually pretty happy. We've mounted the sink down using toggle bolts. And it's very secure, as you can see, not going nowhere. All right, let's get the 1 1/4 P trap in. Hook all this up and we'll be done. We will be done. And let's do a. All right, so here we are. Got the P trap built, measured up, and now we're putting the supply lines in. And first, I'm gonna get that up there. And, put that in there, and hard to see. It's hard to get a camera view of this. Right there. All right, so we got the sink running. Oh yeah, I'm checking for drips now. Looks good. Looks real good. Do a field test. No drips, no leaks there. Perfect. Yeah. And hot, cold, boom, boom.